Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the best brake controller you can get for your trailer towing setup. The Tekonsha 8508220 Brake-EVN Proportional Brake Controller. Whether you're pulling a utility trailer, RV, or boat trailer, this product offers a reliable and smooth braking experience that outperforms many others in its class. Let's start with what makes the Tekonsha Brake-EVN stand out. This isn't just any brake controller, it's a proportional brake controller. That means it doesn't just apply your trailer's brakes on a timer. Instead, it uses an internal inertia sensor to determine how hard and how fast you're braking in your tow vehicle, and then automatically applies the trailer brakes with matching intensity. The result? A seamless, safer braking experience that feels natural and controlled, especially during sudden stops or on steep declines. Now, one of the most appreciated features of the Brake-EVN is its wide vehicle compatibility. It works with trailers that have 1 to 4 axles, which translates to 2, 4, 6, or even 8 individual brakes. It's compatible with major automotive brands: Ford, GM, Chevy, Dodge, Ram, Toyota, Jeep, and more. This kind of versatility makes it a solid choice whether you're a weekend camper or a professional hauling equipment daily. Installation is also refreshingly simple, especially for those who already have a Tekonsha or compatible brake controller wiring harness. The unit features a plug-and-play port for 2 plug adapters. While it's important to note that the vehicle-specific wiring harness is sold separately. Once you have the correct one, the process becomes straightforward. The electrical connector is also removable, which allows you to unplug and store the unit when not in use, perfect for those who only tow occasionally. Let's talk usability. The Tekonsha Brake-EVN comes with an easy-to-read LED display. This display keeps you informed in real time, showing settings, diagnostics, and alerts, all in a clear and readable format. This helps you keep an eye on the status of your trailer braking system, which can be a game-changer during long hauls. Another key feature is the manual braking lever. With a simple slide to the left, you can manually activate the trailer brakes. Useful for controlling sway or making cautious adjustments when needed. The power output during manual braking can also be preset, ensuring that even your manual overrides are predictable and safe. Durability and build quality are on point here. Tekonsha has a solid reputation in the towing industry, and the Brake-EVN lives up to that legacy. It's compact, well-built, and designed to withstand the kind of rugged use that comes with towing in various weather conditions and terrain. Let's not forget the price. At under $100, this controller delivers premium performance without the premium price tag. When you consider its performance, compatibility, ease of use, and safety features, it's a compelling package for anyone serious about safe towing. So, should you buy the Tekonsha 8508220 Brake-EVN? Absolutely. Whether you're an experienced tower or just getting started, this brake controller offers reliable proportional braking, easy installation, and great value. Just make sure you pair it with the correct wiring harness for your vehicle, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. And let us know in the comments what trailer accessories you want us to cover next. Safe towing, and see you in the next video.